Today I am in the newly refurbished 3-bedroom house in Gateshead, northeast of England, and this place is so beautiful. So if you're a professional, a family person looking for a 3-bedroom house around Gateshead, then this is the place you need to be. It is literally 3 minutes away from Queen Elizabeth Hospital. It's got a care home around. You can literally walk to work every day. Like I said, this place is newly refurbished and it's giving new build house. Let me show you around. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, you are highly welcome. My name is Victoria, and on this channel I share various videos about living in the UK as an immigrant, and this is one of my house tour videos. So you're welcome. Please make sure to like this video, leave a comment and share this video with somebody, and you can also subscribe. So let's start from down below. Here we have, this is the entrance of this 3-bedroom house. Coming in, we've got this beautiful radiator right here, and we've got a small walkway here which leads straight down to the kitchen, and to my left is the living area or the lounge. And of course, this house is not furnished, so that gives you the advantage of furnishing it to your own taste. This lounge is so massive, like it is so big, and I believe this area should be the dining room, like the dining part of the lounge. Coming out is, firstly, look at this, this understairs cupboard. The electrical box and all that's in there, but you still got some space to put in, you know, some extra stuffs that you may want to keep there. And going on, this is the kitchen. Wow, I love that. It is so, it's not small, but it is cute in a way. I don't know how to explain, but it has got an electric cooker and oven, which are all brand new. Like I said, this place is just refurbished and I'm loving it already. Like, I'm loving it. This is the boiler, and of course there are a lot of spaces to store your stuffs in here. A whole lot of spaces for you, and the countertop is also very spacious. And this is more. This is the extractor, and this is another cupboard. And here we've got the fridge. So you've got your fridge already. This is the fridge and freezer. Woohoo! And this kitchen area actually leads outside. This place is locked. I will have opened and show you guys, but it's outside with a lot of greeneries all around. And this is the window. So let's move on. Let's go on to see the rooms. This is the landing for the top floor, and here we've got 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. So let's start with the bathroom. This bathroom has honestly met my expectations, because what? They really took their time to do this bathroom to a very high standard, which I love. We've got this eating rail here. This is the shower itself. I love this light. It's so beautiful, and it just lights the place up in a whole different way. And here is the toilet seat, and this is something for your toilet rolls. This bathroom is really spacious. Like, it is spacious, simple. It has got 2 windows. This is one, which means that you've got enough here to come in and a way for steam to get out. This is what the garden looks like. And how can I live without talking about this mirror? Are you saying something? You saying something? Right now, let's move on to check out the bedrooms. the first bedroom. This is big. This is big, oh. I love this light. We've got the heater here. We've got the blinds here. And sockets. There's no cupboard. Obviously, you'll have to furnish the room according to your tastes. Let's move on to the second bedroom. This is the second bedroom, and it is also as big as the first bedroom. And this is the one that is actually facing the outside of the house. We've got the heater here too. We've got many sockets, and yeah, this is the second bedroom. Let's move on to the third bedroom, aka home office. You can decide to use the third bedroom as your home office. At the same time, it can also work as a child's bedroom. We've got a window here also, and a blind. One thing that I love about this particular bedroom is that it's already got some storage space here that you can, use as a mini cupboard or something like that. A newly renovated 3-bedroom semi-detached house in Gateshead, northeast of England. Of course, if you are interested in this property, I'll be leaving the contact in the description box below, or you can chat me up on Instagram. Or if you know somebody who needs a 3-bedroom house in northeast of England, Gateshead to be precise, please send them to my Instagram. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. It's been such a long time I did a house tour like this, so let me know whether you want me to do more of this, whether you want to see more of this on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in this other video showing. Bye.